Okay, today I want to show you how to make a snack bar using material design in Angular. Um, the thing is that in order to make a snack bar, see, you can click for the example as you see here. Usually a snack bar is just a small little thing with an action button and a text. But they give you an option, if you look at it, Samuel, they give you an option to make to use another component in Angular to show a snack bar. So the content of the snack bar will be a component. If I go to the API, you'll see that snack bar has the possibility to show component. So this is a method that can be used with the snack bar element in Angular. The problem is that when you go over the site, this is a material Angular IO, there's nowhere where they explain you how to do this and give you a clear example. And I looked over the internet and I couldn't find it. I put a question of Stack Overflow, and nothing came out. No one answered. But finally, I figured out. So I would like to take the time to show it to you. So first of all, you're gonna go to a module. This is, by the way, Visual Studio Code. I'm gonna go to app module TS, and you have to import the snack bar from Angular. That's what you see here, and then you put it in the modules. And here I'm going to use it in the module posture. So in the module posture, there's like apps module, whatever. there is in the main screen, there is a button somewhere that I put. Yeah, Hebrew. So here you see button, and the event of this button is Hebrew event. So let's go to the TypeScript, and then let's find it. It's right here. So in the Hebrew event, I'm going to show the snack bar this way, as it says in the documentation down here. You'll see it. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to give the name of the company that I want to open. The problem is that the component here is component keyboard component. You see, I have another component here, and the name of the component is keyboard. So keyboard component. The problem is that I'm referencing from this component to this component, which are both in the same project, if you want to say it this way. And I need to figure a way how to import it. So I've put here the import for the other component, which is component yes, I think it's right here. Is it? The name of the component keyboard. Actually, it doesn't really work like this. You just have to put the name of the class. So here, I put the name of the class. And here, where was it? Here, I put the name of the class. And this is how I want. I'm from this directory, I want to up one directory, and I want in the directory here. And basically, anyways, when I put like my cursor here, I put two points, slash, and then I put a control space, and it's going to give me whatever in that directory. So is able to know, let me show it to you, is able to know that there is a component there. If you look at control slash, here it's keyboard, slash again, and then it shows me, and I know that it's this one. So this is how the import was done. The problem is that this didn't work because I thought that since both are the same project and they're already imported in modules, so everybody knows about it, so it's not a problem. See, I have posture here. Well, that's I added myself. But you have here posture. You have keyboard. Yeah, okay. So they're all here, anyways. So normally you wouldn't have to do anything. It will do it by itself. And then I got a weird message about ng something, and it didn't work. And so finally I figured out I can't find the site right now. Unfortunately, I would love to show it here, where someone very intelligent said, wrote actually, to use to have this any component that are done that are instantiated automatically in the application should you basically have to have had this to your ng model with the name of the component, and obviously you import it here too, so this should work. Now the question that you can ask yourself, and I shouldn't say that because this is not something I look for, I just did this very fast. How do you communicate the information between the two? So what I did is that I want to, but this is not the proper way to communicate. There's like services and all that. Like this is not the part of the video. I'm just showing you this because since you're gonna get there, you want to know something that works. You show it to the client, to the boss, or whatever it is. So you'll have something functional. But this part, maybe I'll make another video for that. I just want to show you how I did how I tricked it a bit in order to communicate between the two. So up to now it was like professional work. This is a little bit hacking. Is that I did I put the component. See, here's component posture, and I'm in the Hebrew keyboard now. So in this component I put the reference to the other one, and in the other one where I opened this one, where is it? Where I open this one, I'll just highlight the rule right here. So this is the first instruction, right? And this is the second instruction of the event. I just give this point instance, and that's the name of the variable I just showed you. I call this. So the variable. The name of the variable. This is keyboard. And there you go. So this is the first instruction to open the SnackBar, and this is the second one to give a reference. Obviously here I have a text box. Okay, this is very bad design because I'm just trying to send something to the client, and I really want to help you out. You know, you need to send something to the client first, and then you work on it to make it better and all that, because if the client doesn't want it, there's no point to work very hard on something that's going to be rejected anyways. So I basically offer directly to the other component without encapsulation the text box itself, which you see here. So there is a text box on the interface. The name is the text box. So that's a variable. So if I go here, I have in the HTML of the keyboard, I have click event and buttons. I show different buttons. If you see ng4, So the ng4 I showed if I put x amount of buttons, and each button has this click event. So in the click event, what I do is that I go this type, the variable I just showed you, text name, that's the thing that I showed you here, name. Native element, value, equal whatever event and value. This was actually very interesting because I sent it to the log, the events, so I was able to know exactly what are the properties that I can see here. So you can see it in action. ng serve, sorry, serve ng, sorry, ng serve, yeah, this, sorry about that, it'll take a while. Okay, so it's compiling the code. Localhost 4000, localhost 4200, and here you have it. So let me just move this window a bit. So when I click on, make this bigger, move this here, I can make it bigger. Okay. So when I click on Hebrew, I have the SnackBar that opens, and you'll see that the text box here will change whenever I click on any button here. Now obviously this will never close because I didn't program it to close. This is pretty easy. You can look at other videos or somewhere, but this is like, I just want you to show you the advanced feature of being able to just put another component into the SnackBar. But the easy stuff, whatever it is, you can find it somewhere else, right? I didn't put any timer on this, so it's not going to close. I guess that's it. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it. And hopefully this will be interesting. I'll make other videos. If it's not interesting, then we'll not. Whatever it is.